In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to set up a simple way to have your document read aloud, which is great for proofreading, accessibility, or just giving your eyes a break while you review your work. Start by opening your Google Doc. At the top of the screen, look for the Extensions menu in the toolbar. Click Extensions, then choose Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find trusted tools that work inside Docs. In the Marketplace, click the Search Apps bar and type Read Aloud TTS. Press Enter, then find the listing that matches that name and click it to open its details page. On that page, click Install. You may be prompted to choose your Google account and grant permissions so the add-on can run inside your document. Review the prompts, click Allow to continue, and let the installation complete. When you see the confirmation, close the installer window to return to your document. Back in your doc, go to the Extensions menu again. You should now see Read Aloud TTS in the list. Click it, then choose Open Sidebar. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment to load. The sidebar is where you control playback. Before you start, highlight the exact text you want to be read aloud. Selecting only the paragraph or section you need keeps the reading focused and saves time. If you leave nothing selected, some tools may read the whole document, so highlighting is a helpful habit. With your text selected, click the play button in the sidebar to start the read aloud. You'll hear the content spoken out loud through your device's speakers or headphones, so make sure your volume is set to a comfortable level. If you need to pause and check something in your writing, press pause in the sidebar and resume when you're ready. If the voice begins at the wrong spot, simply stop playback, adjust your selection, and press play again. That's it! You're done! You've installed Read Aloud TTS, opened its sidebar, highlighted your text, and played it back. This workflow is especially useful for catching typos, awkward phrasing, and missing words that are easy to miss when you're reading silently. If anything seems off or the sidebar closes